4, where you will learn how to navigate texting, group text, broadcasts, contacts, and favorites. Send messages to other MHCure users from the Texts tab in the navigation bar. Tap the memo icon to create a new message. Search by name, role, assign dynamic role, or unit. Tap the plus sign for additional messaging options. Quick Pick lets you select from a variety of pre-made texts, such as "Be there in a minute," "CT room," or "Drop off to MRI." Patient Pick allows you to quickly drop an assigned patient with a clickable link into the text field. You can then add any custom text you wish. If you decide you'd rather call the person you are texting, tap Call. Or you can tap Contact Details to view their presence, assigned units, dynamic roles, affiliated hospitals, and numbers. Tap Camera to add a picture to your text. Just keep in mind that the photo sent in the text will not be associated to the patient, and there is no way for you to mark the photo as sensitive. Tap the exclamation mark icon to mark texts as urgent. Users who receive an urgent text will see a red banner display. This banner will display until viewed. Note that if the recipient has muted their device using the hardware button, no sound will be heard. Add multiple contacts to send a group text. Tap the filter at the top to search My Units or Any Units. If you happen to select a contact who is offline, you'll receive a pop-up indicating so. In a group text, you'll notice an eye icon in the upper right corner. From here, you can give the group a name, add additional contacts, mute notifications, or leave the group text completely. Note that once you leave a group text, the history of the text will no longer be available. Broadcasts are used for rapid one-way messaging. There are two kinds of broadcasts, quick and group. Quick can be used to send a predefined message to predefined users or roles. Group text lets you send a custom message to a predefined group of users. Tap a broadcast to view the details, such as content, priority, sent, received, and sender. Quick broadcasts have pre-written text intended for a set of specific users. These are set up by the MHCure administrator. Depending on which quick broadcast you send, you may be prompted to enter your location or to select a patient from the list. You'll then be prompted to send. You can also send messages to group types, such as Stroke Team or Unit RNs, from the Groups tab. Group broadcasts work the same as texting, so you can tap the plus sign to display patients in Quick Pick. Or mark your message as urgent if it's time sensitive. Urgent messages will generate an audible notification for the recipient. View details of sent and received messages from the Recent tab. Respond directly to the sender of a group message by tapping the message, tap the sender's name, and then text. Contacts allows you to search all contacts in the directory, contacts by unit, hospital, specified favorites, or by dynamic roles. Tap a contact name to open the details. Here, you can quickly view the contact's title, presence, hospital affiliations, and assign patients. If the contact is not an MHCure user, they will display as a telephone. Call or text a user directly from this screen. For contacts with desk phones, extensions will also be listed. Favorites can be used to save frequently contacted users. Access favorites from the Contacts tab. Your favorites list is attached to your account and follows you to any phone or device. There are two ways you can add to your favorites list. When viewing a user's contact details, tap the Add to Favorites toggle. The other way is to tap the plus sign and then search or browse for a contact. Tap the contact's name, and they will automatically be added to your favorites list. Quickly remove multiple favorites by tapping Edit on the Favorites screen. Tap the red circle and then Remove. When finished, tap Done. This concludes the training for the MHCure mobile application. Please close this browser tab to return to HealthStream.